to understand the why behind the pistol squat. And to do that, I want you to drop down into a squat for me. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is your knees. They should be over your toes. So have a look at your own body setup. Those knees are tracking over your toes. The benefit of a pistol squat is to be able to isolate your glutes so that we can work on strengthening them individually. I've got a cushion behind me on this treadmill here. I'm going to drop myself down with the intention of tapping the pad, not sitting on it. So as I come down low, tap the pad and drive back up again. Why don't I want to sit on it? If I sit on it, I have the potential to deload that knee and then thrust myself forward again. Now, if you're progressing into this and you do sit on it, it's not the worst thing in the world. But the goal is to try and tap and not sit. Hi, Nancy, we have not rehearsed this. Nancy, come forward for me. How's your pistol squat?
Not great.
Oh, let's have a go at it. Grab my hand for me, pick a leg. We're going to go together on the way down and up. We're going to help each other. 3, 2, 1. Down we go. Come on down. Come on down and join me. All right, ready? We're going to come up together. 3, 2, 1. Whoop. Yeah, oh, you were so close. That's pretty good. That's not bad.